Hi everyone, this is attorney Ogmen. Today I'm in front of you to share one of the latest news we have this week with regarding immigration. This week, Department of Homeland Security actually made an announcement stating that they revoked the parole status of more than 900,000 immigrants who came to the United States under CBP One application during the Biden administration. As you will know that during the Biden administration created a CBP One application for immigrants, for foreigners, not to enter the United States through the border illegally. Instead of entering illegally through the border, for them to get an appointment through the CBP One app, and after that appointment, they could actually enter the US and also get a parole status and stay in the United States, get an employment authorization, and continue their relief process in the US. So during the Biden administration term, this application created that for foreign people, for immigrants to be able to safely enter the US instead of crossing the border illegally. But as you know, when the Trump administration started on January 20th of 2025, right away signed numerous actually executive orders, and they also stopped the use of CBP One app application, which was in place during the Biden administration. After January 20th of 2025, that CBP One application did not continue to be used. But recently, actually, Trump administration started using the app for immigrants who are not legally staying in the United States to be able to self-deport to US. So based on this news from the immigration this week, we got numerous actually calls and questions from our clients and actually our followers, and they were in serious panic mode to see what they're going to do from now on, and what will happen to them if they don't self-deport. Will they be removed, detained? All these questions, of course, created so many uncertainty for immigrants who are in the United States. What I would like to do now, actually respond to our clients and followers who actually have entered the United States under CBP One application during the Biden administration time, starting 2023, if they have used the CBP One app and got an appointment from the United States and entered the US and received the parole status and also got the employment authorization card. Yes, their parole status have actually been revoked this week by immigration, by Department of Homeland Security. From now on, either they're going to have to depart from the United States, and if they're not departing, then it's going to be very important if they have any relief application filed with the USCIS or immigration court for them to be safely stay in the United States. So what I could tell actually, if actually you are one of the person that who actually have entered under the CBP One application by getting up and after that receiving the parole status, and who have actually filed their relief application with immigration court or with the USCIS, then you're going to be safe until the determination of your relief application is being decided by the USCIS or after that by the immigration court. Because of that, it doesn't mean that you use the CBP One app and it's being revoked, or your parole status is being revoked or terminated right now. It doesn't mean that you will be deported right away or sent to your home country. Because of that, we will recommend those people, those followers who actually have entered with the CBP One app to get a legal advice as soon as possible. You could reach out to our office and get an appointment from us to make sure that you could be safe in the US and not face the removal or deportation from the United States. But I could state that, which is understandable, that at this moment that it might create a fear among the immigrants who have used the CBP One app and got a parole status, and as of now, they do not have parole status. I'm going to repeat one more time. If you have filed your relief application with the USCIS or with the immigration court, you're going to be safe until the decision is being made on your application. However, I would recommend you to get a legal advice or reach out to our office as soon as possible, and we will be sharing with you whenever there's a news about this. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you or I'll see you soon.